Ever pondered on how to start a business with absolutely no money? It might seem like a daunting task, but it is indeed possible. Today, we're going to explore 10 business ideas that require minimal to no startup capital, but could generate a substantial income stream. First up is content creation and monetization. Whether you're a writer, videographer, or podcaster, you can create engaging content and monetize it through platforms like YouTube or Medium. It's all about growing an audience and capitalizing on ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Next, consider offering social media management services. With businesses and personal brands always in need of social media savvy individuals, you can build a portfolio by offering your services to local businesses or startups in exchange for testimonials. Thirdly, if you have a knack for writing, why not start a freelance writing or copywriting business? You can craft compelling content for websites and blogs or create persuasive sales copy. Finding your first clients can be as simple as networking or using freelance websites. A fourth idea is becoming a virtual assistant. Offering services such as email management, scheduling, and customer support can be a lifeline for entrepreneurs and small businesses in need of administrative help. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider starting an online tutoring or teaching business. Platforms are available that connect tutors with students worldwide. It's all about creating engaging lesson plans and marketing yourself as an expert. Sixth on the list is dropshipping. Although it might require a minimal upfront investment for website hosting, dropshipping can be a low-cost business model. It involves setting up a dropshipping store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, selecting products and marketing the business effectively. For the artistically inclined, starting a freelance graphic design business can be an attractive option. All you need are your skills and software knowledge. Showcasing your work through a portfolio and securing clients via freelancing platforms and social media marketing is key. Next up is SEO Consulting. With basic SEO knowledge, you can offer consulting services to local businesses looking to improve their online visibility. Self-education in SEO and pitching your services to potential clients are crucial components. Ninth on our list is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale. The trick is to select niches, find reputable affiliate programs, and use content marketing to drive sales. Finally, for those with a creative streak, selling handmade goods or digital products like ebooks, courses, or design templates can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable are excellent avenues to sell without needing a physical store. So there you have it, 10 viable business ideas that require little to no startup capital. Remember, the key to success in any business is passion, determination, and a willingness to learn. So what are you waiting for? It's time to turn those business dreams into a reality. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.